Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'd like to quickly introduce comparison operators. In the previous video, we wrote a piece of pseudocode that combined logical operators and conditional statements. You might have noticed that I use double equal signs here instead of just one single equal sign. That's because the double equal signs are a comparison operator, as mentioned in the video title. It is used to check whether two objects or values are equal. Besides equality, there's also not equal, which we represent with an exclamation mark and an equal sign. Okay, when comparing number, we can use greater than or less than. Additionally, we can use greater than or equal to and less than or equal to for inclusive comparisons. These are the most common comparison operators. In the next video, I will introduce bitwise operators. See you then.